Welcome back to 30 Days of Sound Body Wisdom. Yesterday, we focused on the reproductive system and the power of creativity and intimacy. Today, we move on to the bladder and kidneys, the organs that teach us about balance, flow, and relationships. The kidneys filter what the body needs to keep and release what it doesn't. The bladder stores and then lets go. Together, they represent flow, balance, and harmony. When this area of the body is out of balance, it often reflects fear in relationships, difficulty letting go of emotional baggage, or feeling drained by others. That's why we say things like, "I just couldn't hold it anymore," or "that situation left me drained." This is also a key area for Black women's health. When urinary tract infections occur, they're often linked to irritation, anger, or boundary issues. Now let's talk a bit about kidney disease. Black Americans are almost 4 times as likely to experience kidney failure when compared to white Americans, and it's often connected to high blood pressure and diabetes. Energetically, kidney problems can reflect fear, imbalance, or carrying unresolved relationship issues. Bladder issues, incontinence, or a sense of urgency to empty the bladder is commonly linked to anxiety, fear of losing control of a situation, or struggles with releasing a situation. Kidney stones are crystallized anger or deep-seated resentment that has not been processed. Yes, these conditions can have medical causes, but they can also mirror how we deal with flow, boundaries, and emotional release. So you need to consider both when seeking treatment. The chakra in this area of the body is the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is located in the lower belly, and it is the energy center of relationships, emotions, and flow. When the sacral chakra is balanced, you feel harmonious and connected. When it's blocked, fear, guilt, or resentment may build up, just like toxins in the body. Today's affirmation: I allow balance and harmony to flow through me. I release fear and welcome peace in my relationships. Say it with me and feel the flow of your breath as you repeat it. I allow balance and harmony to flow through me. I release fear and welcome peace in my relationships. And now for your self-care practice for today. Try a gentle seated side stretch. While sitting comfortably on the floor, place one hand on the floor beside you and reach the other arm overhead, stretching your side body. Breathe deeply into the kidneys, then switch sides. This stretch encourages circulation and reminds you to create space for flow, both physically and emotionally. Your kidneys and bladder are your body's reminder to keep what nourishes you and release what doesn't. They reflect balance, flow, and the way we navigate relationships. Tomorrow, we'll move on to the stomach and explore how worry and overthinking affect digestion and peace of mind. Thanks for joining me again. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.